Hello.
Hi.
In this video, we're wandering around Kenmare, and we're also going to show you our B&B a little bit later in the video. P.F. McCarthy's, we had dinner there last night at the pub. It was okay.
It's quite good.
We'll flick a picture up of what we ate. But for now, come with us as we explore Kenmare. Kenmare is a great base for exploring the Ring of Kerry and Killarney National Park, and also the Ring of Beara, which we've got coming up. Out these tins.
There's teas.
There's a few stores still open. Park in Kenmare. We are in search of Kenmare's stone circle. Apparently it's 3 minutes in the direction we're walking, so let's see how we go. Pretty coloured houses. This whole block's built in 1874. As you walk around Kenmare, there's heritage town plaques that give you information about what you're looking at. And this part of Kenmare was once known as Pound Lane because it was where the cattle pound was. Well, we made it to the stone circle. It cost €2 each to come in by an honesty system. We're here after 6 in the evening, so it may be that there is an attendant there during the day. So apparently these people think it's a good place to have an argument. The hawthorn fairy tree dates back to Celtic times, where it was believed that fairies lived under the trees, and today people in Kenmare write wishes on those cards and leave them for the fairies to fulfil. This stone circle is actually one of the biggest in southwest of Ireland. One of Phil's workmates recommended the Horseshoe. It's a place for a feed, but we don't have time this visit. Kenmare's even got its own Michelin star restaurant. I saw on a YouTube tourism video this afternoon that apparently there are more restaurants than pubs in Kenmare, and that's a bit of an Irish town anomaly. There are a lot of both. Heading into Crowley. Where are we, Phil?
Crowley's pub. Crowley's bar.
And who suggested we come here?
Mirish, work.
Thanks, Mirish. We were so glad we booked Knockbrack Mountain Retreat for our base as we explored over the couple of days that we stayed here. This cabin had been lovingly transformed from a shed to what you see today by Chris and Gil, our hosts, or Chris and Jill, our hosts. They had done an amazing job adding so much detail in different ways that just added to the quirkiness and the vibrance of this place. We paid $322 Australian for our 2-night stay at this amazing accommodation, a couple of k's out of Kenmare. The cathedral ceilings in the bedroom were a nice little added bonus that made it feel light and airy up there. And the view through that full-length window, spectacular. I would say if you come here, which I would highly recommend you do, follow Chris's directions because the GPS will stuff you around every single time. We did not know it at the time, but this accommodation would become our favourite accommodation of the whole trip.
If you like what you saw today, why not subscribe and like?
As always, thanks for joining us.
Travel brilliantly. Bye.
Why not join us in the next video as we tackle the epic Beara Peninsula?